Watch till the end to get a special treat. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
One thing to note here is how to turn on dark mode. How to do that, you're just going to open up Inkscape, go to Edit, go down here to Preferences, and under Interface, go to Theming, and there's a little tick box here that says Use Dark Theme. Now I have mine ticked, so mine's on dark mode. Uncheck it if you want it to be white, which is the default. I prefer my programs in dark mode for some reason. You can also change theme colors here in this drop-down menu. You can change the icon colors differently by switching all of these, and it'll change your icon colors black and white. You can just flip through them and see what you like the best. I mean, it's all up to you. But anyway, after that, we're just going to close out of that, and it should remember all of your preferences automatically in the template that we saved in the previous video.
What if I told you that mastering CNC plasma sign design and becoming a master at sales and marketing your work doesn't require expensive software or years of experience? You don't need to be a tech wizard. You just need the right tools, the right tutorials, and a proven step-by-step roadmap. I built my CNC plasma business from the garage with a 2-foot by 2-foot plasma table up to a 5,000 square foot full-blown metal fab shop, and now I'm giving away the exact tools and pathway to how I did it. Inside is all of the information I wish I had when I first started 7 years ago. This includes a free Inkscape drawing tutorial video set that teaches you how to draw, design, and prep your files for plasma cutting like a pro, start to finish. And I'm also unlocking access to our CNC Plasma Sales Masterclass, where you'll learn how to turn your hobby into a full-blown, profitable business. When you click the link below, you'll get instant access to our step-by-step Inkscape training, ready to cut SVG sign files, our plasma sign pricing calculator, a free QuickBooks Masterclass to track your sales, our complete CNC plasma business roadmap, and my exclusive member-only content that I will never post on YouTube. Inside, you'll find tons of downloadable files and private video lessons waiting for you. If you're ready to stop guessing, if you're tired of endlessly searching YouTube, and ready to finally build a CNC plasma business that pays you what you're worth so that you can go full-time and quit your day job, you can escape the rat race just like I did, and I'm going to show you how. Click the link below in the description, sign up for free, and I'll see you inside.